Want to highlight an important point in formal way? Use this expression. It's worth noting that. It's worth noting that. This phrase signals that something deserves attention. For example, it's worth noting that results were consistent across all groups. Instead of saying, don't forget that. Instead of saying, don't forget that, say, it's worth noting that. It sounds neutral, professional, and academic. Another example, it's worth noting that the company achieved growth despite the market instability. Add this to your vocabulary, and your English will instantly sound more refined. See you in the next expression.